Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Calling Objective-C functions from Python can be achieved by using the PyObjC library. PyObjC is a Python library that allows you to interact with Objective-C code and frameworks, making it possible to integrate Python and Objective-C seamlessly. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the steps to call Objective-C functions from Python, and we'll provide a code example to demonstrate this integration. Prerequisites. macOS. PyObjC is primarily designed for macOS, so you'll need a macOS environment. Python. Make sure you have Python installed on your macOS. You can use the system Python or install a newer version. Xcode. Install Xcode, which provides the necessary tools and libraries for Objective-C development. Step 1. Install PyObjC. First, install PyObjC using pip. Step 2. Create an Objective-C class. To call Objective-C functions from Python, you need an Objective-C class to work with. Create a simple Objective-C class, example myObjectiveC class.m, that you want to interact with from Python. Step 3. Compile the Objective-C class. Compile your Objective-C class into a dynamic library, .dlib. Use the following commands. Step 4. Create a Python script. Now, create a Python script that imports the PyObjC library and interacts with your Objective-C class. Here's a sample Python script. Step 5. Run the Python script. Execute the Python script, and you should see the output of the Objective-C methods in your terminal. This will call the print hello and print message methods from your Objective-C class and print the messages to the console. That's it. You've successfully called Objective-C functions from Python using the PyObjC library. This example demonstrates a simple interaction, but you can expand on this foundation to integrate more complex Objective-C code into your Python applications. ChatGPT.